such a shame when the countryside gets owned by one person or a family or a business and you just don't have the access to it. It's not as if we want to do any harm, you just want to see it. It's just beautiful. I think the sheep might think there's some dinner coming. Why are they coming over? Well, the way he's eating his way over, we'll be here all day. And here are the lakes, they just drop down off to our left. They just drop down one level after another. I'm not sure whether there's 3 or 4 down there. All the way up from the top back there. Not really sure what feeds them, to be honest. Maybe just water off the fields, but they've been here a long time. Well, not much point in getting muddied up because I don't think we can go further. It was down the other bank that was fenced off where you weren't allowed to go. In saying that, we'll go and have a look to see if it's been released or whether it's still the same. End up on my backside if I'm not careful. It's all fenced off now. We used to be able to get down here by the side and just travel down between these trees to that little fence and walk all the way down the bank on this side. We'll just see what we can see up here. Not a lot, I don't suppose, but worth a look. Whoops, a daisy. Nearly went over. And onwards and upwards it goes. And there we go, a little pheasant. Did we catch it on camera? He's up on the hill there. Right at the top there now. Suicide birds. I'll get the other camera out because I've got a lovely picture there. The sound of nature. Well, let's head back then. I have an event to sort out for tonight. Dancing in Spondon tonight. Looking forward to that. Modern jive. Working with my body camera today, I fastened it onto a harness. I have no idea what the pictures are that we're getting. I'm hoping they're in balance. If not, the whole film will be scrapped. So, today's walk is a short one. Here they are, they make it over to the fence. Oh. They've changed their mind and they're running. Hello fella. Hello. Oh no. One moves, they all move. Just like people. Sheep. Bah. Bah. You really would think with the developed mind of humans that they wouldn't be so sheep-like. It seems that they have the need to group together just the same as animals. Get guilty of this groupthink, lack of ability to think for themselves. At least that's what I see when I watch the TV and the news, as they guide people how to think with their propaganda, daily agendas. One of the reasons I'm really enjoying getting out. Getting out and about. It gets me away from all that crap. And it builds me an appetite up.